as it was really frightening.
At first I thought it was a dog, but I could see by the dog that I had on the tractor barking, it had frightened it, and it was bounding up the field.
Why don't you think it was a dog then?
Well, because the way it was, it doesn't running, it is leaping, not running.
What sort of colour was it?
Well, it was a dark colour, but there was also a patch of white on it as well.
You obviously had a very good look at it. What do you think it is?
Oh yes, it was quite a good view, but it is too far to say exactly what it was, isn't it? But it was definitely a wild animal of some sort.
The marks of the paws, there's an animal as I can't sort of put it down to. It's out of the ordinary.
You sure it's not a dog?
Definitely not. Definitely not. Because the claw marks on it appeared to me as it was a fair-sized animal.